Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. First time around, you will have this pop-up where you get to agree to the terms of use, basically, and then allow for it to screen record to make and manage phone calls, which is kind of stupid that it needs this. I'm not sure why it needs to manage phone calls. The only thing that I can probably assume, but this is a guess, is because that phone calls is associated with microphone, so it kind of considers this to be the same thing, and when we allow this, it then allows us to basically record audio through microphone. But this is just a guess. In any case, here we have this little overlay with the record, settings, and close options. So I'm gonna start off with the record. I'm gonna tap on this to stop the recording, which will automatically get saved to our Photos application. Now there is also a reason why I opened up Netflix and also kind of pointed out to a specific location like signing in, which you will see in a moment. Now under screenshots, you will find the screen recordings. So you want to navigate into the collections right here and then screenshots, and you can see it right here. So it's already playing back. Now, Netflix uses DRM, which basically decides to do whatever the hell it wants on your device, all in a name of privacy and security, and also screwing you over. Because this is Netflix being open. This is what you get. I am not signed in. I haven't given any permission whatsoever to this bullshit application, and it can do whatever the hell it wants. Here's something like Firefox, which just works. So yeah, I'm just pointing that out because Netflix can literally F around on my device, for instance, without me ever giving it explicit permission or the bullshit application even asking for it. So here you go, use CloudStream. Highly recommended. You don't need to pay a subscription, it's free, and you can basically watch every content from everywhere for free. Because screw you, Netflix, for trying to do this. So in any case, hopefully you found this video helpful on how you can record your screen, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.